I would like to do a quick video on this very popular Frigidaire dehumidifier. There are tons of videos about reviews on this unit, but I couldn't find any that actually showed how to disassemble it in order to repair it. And like many of those consumer grade dehumidifiers, they're not built for the long run and they actually need repair. So first showing the model. So this is the exact model that we're looking at. And in order to disassemble it, you first need to remove the tray. Then there are two screws here that I have already removed. And then this piece actually goes down, but it's hard to get it down because it's actually all clipped in there. So you have to somehow pry it to get it to disconnect from that. It's actually pretty okay, once we're at that point, there are screws all around that you have to remove. Screws on both sides. Then you find more screws there, 3 more screws. And finally you have 2 screws at the bottom. So this big plastic piece is wrapped around, so we have to get it to clear out and come out, but for that we need to remove completely the cover. The other thing that you need to remove is that this part, otherwise it will not go through the hole. So we can continue lifting the top part with the tool. Here we have it. Once we've done that, we can unwrap this from both sides, and it comes out. In my case, I couldn't repair anything because I discovered that it was low on refrigerant, so there may be some leaks. And it's everyone tells me that it's not worth trying to fix it because you need a lot of tools to be able to add some new refrigerant, and fixing the leaks is even more problematic. Otherwise, if you're lucky and the problem is something else, the kind of things that you could repair For example, there's a sensor here to check the temperature so that it stops if it gets too cold, so that it doesn't freeze over. In my case, it was freezing over up to there, and the rest was warm. So this means that there's not enough refrigerant, and it only gets the bottom part cold. It doesn't touch the sensor, so it doesn't stop when it's too cold. And only the bottom part is cold, too cold, and the upper part doesn't get any refrigerant, and it doesn't go anywhere. So this sensor can easily be replaced. As you can see, it's easy to access. Other than that, there's a humidity sensor over here, and the control board is in this whole metal casing. So those are the kind of things that you could have to repair. So in my case, I have to send it to recycling because all the parts are good except the evaporator, and there's no refrigerant and nothing, so it's not worthwhile. My next dehumidifier will probably be a more semi-commercial type of unit, and hopefully it will last longer. This one did last about 3 years, and my previous one, it was about the same duration. I would really be happier with something that would last something like 12 years or more. Thanks, hope it helps. I couldn't find anything about disassembling this unit, and the way I discovered the trick is, well, you don't want to know. I broke a few things, but now I know how to do it.